just so cute. I am just so cute. I am just the cutest. Yeah, I am just so cute. Yeah. It's that time again, time to change socks. It's winter. Socks are always getting wet, aren't they? Hi. Hello. Are you being camera shy? Hello. Look this way. It's really exciting. I'm changing my socks. So cute. Oh, there he is. Are you looking at the llamas? The upside down llamas. Llamas. Llama love. Origami ears. Fortune cookie ears. They're just the cutest I've ever seen. Mwah. One down, one to go. Oh, it's inside out. I don't care. Oh, jug's boiling. Kettle's boiling. What's on the menu? Hot chocolate, salted caramel, vanilla chai, lemongrass and ginger tea. Oh, so many options. So many options. So much steam. Coziness. I think we're gonna go salted caramel all the way. Yep. I do not recommend this at home. Always use 2 hands when pouring, and preferably use a stable surface, i.e. a table. I got this. I got the one hand pour down. One hand pour down. Boom. Voila. Skill. Oh yeah. Soon, I'd say. You think so? Yeah, I think so too. Which way? Tempted to go that way. Made the call? Going this way. This way. Those hills. See the water through there. Certainly some stormy weather on the way. Just love all these green, lush hills. Look at that. Getting a good walkies in, eh? We are currently walking through a sand supplies area. It's basically forest with a road so far. Sun's going down, storm's coming. It's all looking quite grey and green. Yeah, the gate was shut, but we just got out of the car and walked through. Easy done. That's what you do when you're exploring. What's up this hill? Come on. These trees look so grey, greeny grey. What do you reckon? Should we do it? Should we do it? Yeah, let's do it. Big kangaroo in there. Whew. We did it, boy. We did it. Oh, we must know. I must know. What's around the corner? And then what's around the next one? No, step at a time. This keeps on going. Hey boy. By the time we get around these corners, it's going to be dark. I can see through the trees some golden light. What is it? Is it a bunch of sand? Is it the sun setting on some land? What is it? It's a little bit eerie in here, I've got to say. We want to be out here in the night. Be real dark. Pitch black. What's that on that tree? See that light? Gonna be seeing something soon. Yeah, the road's come to an end. Come on, boy. We've certainly covered a lot of ground today, haven't we? Alright, I think we'll head back. It's getting too dark. I can see little one back there. Here he comes. It's great. This would look so much cooler in the daytime. I'll have to come back when the light's all golden. Oh wow. So it says that this way is the site office car park. I don't think so. Yeah, I could see this today. Could see this from over there in the thick bush. Oh, it's getting eerie. Okay, boy, let's get out of here. There's little one. Let me zoom in. There he is. Good boy. Good boys. Let's go. Yeah, come on. Back to the car. Time for din-dins. Din-dins. cutesy butches. Oh, the cutesy butches. Green light. Green light for go. All systems are go. Full steam ahead. You are on the right path. Keep going. Continue to follow your guidance, your inner navigation system, your very own GPS. Oh, we've got this huge hill to go down. I love that sound. Hey boy, whoa, slippery. No joke, golden boy, he just went up to the bushes just here. You can't see anything, it's dark. I'm pointing that way and went up to the bushes and I heard this sound. And I haven't heard a sound like that before. It wasn't. At first I thought it was a kangaroo, but it was like this weird sound, like a growl sound. And it wasn't from my boy. And he's been acting weird since. And my little guy, I was holding him at the time, it just happened before. And he got scared and started barking his head off. And I'm like, what'd you see? What'd you see, boy? Did you see a yowie? Was it a yowie? I think a yowie's another name for Sasquatch. Wouldn't surprise me. Stranger things have happened. Yeah, he's fully been in protective mode. He's way ahead, scouting the perimeter. Come here. But he did seem a bit scared because he like sat down on the road, on the muddy road, which is a little odd. Hey boy, boy, come here. He's not listening. There's the end of the road where we're parked, and the gate is just there. Stay, good boy. It's spooky in here, that's for sure. The trees always make me feel better. Don't you, trees? Yeah. Oh, I've got to see if I can smell eucalyptus yet. How am I? Must be all those caramel, salted caramel lattes and chai. Oh, I can't reach any eucalyptus. Oh, here's some. Snap a bit. Oh, okay, I can smell it probably like out of 10. Not much, hey. Damn, probably like 1.5 out of 10. Hey, it's something. It's something, because I had nothing. And I can taste, as of today, from nothing to something. What did you see in there, boy? What was it? Something big. Alright, we're back at the car now. Let's get everyone in. Oh no. Where are my keys? Where are the keys? I hear the keys. I hear them. Found them. Socks. My socks that I changed out of. My socks for the wash, in other words. Hey, that's cool. That's my mirror. Yay. Where is it? up this morning. Check out that water. Look at that sunshine. Sunshine sparkle, right? Let's get going. Phone on charge. It's already running out of battery. I'm happy I can plug it into my fridge. That's awesome. Right here. This goes down to the fridge. Right there. Very cool. My goodness, my hair. I am going to attempt to reverse plait today. Take these out. I've just pulled over just to let some disgruntled, angry drivers past because they can't figure out that they can just go around. This vehicle, she only can do 80. I'm only going to do 80 when the speed limit's 80. People, get it? Got it? Good. Ay, ay, ay. Beautiful banksia trees. Back it up, back it up. Boom. Oh, this has got heaps of potholes, I know it. Not good for the wheels. Not good for the old girl. She might be an old make, but I got her with very low kilometres and she's been kept in a shed. She's in great nick. Beauty. But yeah, potholes, avoid them when you can. They're not great for the steering. Oh, this isn't too bad. This is definitely not the worst road I've been on. I have been on some shockers. Which way? This again. Choices, choices. Let's go this way. Going off-road? Not quite. I need to do something with this speaker. Because it does that often. All good, all good. I'll find another spot for it. Oh, there's heaps of cars down here. Am I going to be able to turn around? There's a van. With lots of windows. What is that? Toyota? What day is it? Friday? I don't even know if it's Friday or Saturday, guys. No, it's Saturday. It's a Saturday. Oh, that's a biggie. It's a big one right there. Oh, oh. Yes. What's this van? It's a nice size. Yeah, high-ace commuter. Oh, I'm not going to go down there. Oh, I can. I might reverse. Alright, turning phone off. How you doing, boy? You're a good boy. Oh, I need a Panadol. Got a bit of a headache. Oh, where's my water? Where's my water? Almond milk will do. Shoes off, barefoot. Don't even care. No thongs, don't even care. Pebbles, don't even care. Come on, boy. Let's do this. Entering the scrub. I did look at one of these. Well, a couple. They're all manual and rusted. Yeah, those vans are good, but I'm happy with mine. It's gonna be great for resale. I didn't even know what they were when I came across it. It's not what I was looking for at all. I was looking at transits, but yeah, they're really sought after. They're like combis, and it's fully fitted out with a kitchen and sink, tap, a grill, stovetops, couches, a table, all turns into a bed, storage underneath. It's great, and it's a pop top, and I can stand up in it, and that is saying a lot. Because I'm like 6 foot, guys. I'm tall. And yeah, you know, I won't have it forever. It's gonna be great for resale. I got it super cheap, and it's low kilometres, and it's auto, and it's in great nick. Been kept in a shed. Such low kilometres. It's great, and it's really cute. It's good. What you doing, boy? He's doing his business on the grass. Very good. This tea tree is wild. Look at it behind me. I reckon this is going to the beach. Sand. Oh, look at this. Up we go. It's a big hill, isn't it? There's a banksia. It's looking a little bit bare. I love their bark, their trunks. It's quite smooth looking. This is a steep hill, isn't it? Beautiful. Hey birds. Cool. Almost there. Oh, ginormous step up. Nice, eh? Look at that blue sky. Mighty fine. Whee. Oh, gorgeous. Look at this. Nice views. Whoa. That water is rolling. Such a beautiful blue. Looks like some nice surf, nice waves. Nice waves for surfing. Sand dunes. Oh yeah, I can see someone out in the water on their board. Let's have a look. How are those sun rays? Right there. In rainbow colours.